Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to add a Pinterest tab to your Facebook page. Step 1. Navigate to woobox.com in a web browser. Step 2. Select sign up in the upper right corner and create an account. Step 3. Once sign in to your new Woobox account, select static tabs. Step 4. Select create a new tab and select Pinterest tab from the drop down list. Step 5. Enter your Pinterest username in the field 10 next to Pinterest website. Step 6. Select Save Settings. Step 7. In a new browser tab or window, navigate to your Facebook page and select the Pinterest tab that appears in the left menu. Step 8. Your boards or pins from your Pinterest profile display on this tab. Your fans can look at your boards on this Pinterest tab similar to how they do on Pinterest. When they click a board, they stay on your Facebook page and the tab display the pins for that board. When they click a pin, a new browser tab opens showing the pin on the Pinterest.com. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.